Parents and teachers, we want to share with you how we go about breaking up multisyllabic words into their individual syllables. So one of the things that we do is we ask students, how many vowels do you see? And in this first word, you can see we have the letter A and the letter E that are both vowels. So we can say we have two. We then ask the next question, are they together or apart? And they are apart. We do not have a silent E in the first word, so we can determine that there are two syllables. And so we would ask students to draw the lines for the two syllables. Now this word happens to have twin letters, what we call twin letters, the double P here. And so we would actually break this word up in between the two letters. And so the first syllable would be hap, and the second syllable would be pen. And we would read the word as happen. And that's how we would go about teaching that. Let's take a look at this word here, right here. So we'll do the same thing. And we'll ask the question, how many vowels do you see? And we see two. We have an I and an I. And we'll say, are they together or apart? And we can say that they are apart. And so we ask, is there a silent E? And there is not. So we're going to, again, draw two lines, and we would have students write on these two lines to divide the syllables. And so the first syllable in this word would be wind, and the second syllable would be mill, and the word is windmill. Let's take a look at a word with silent E. So this first question is, how many vowels do we see? And we have an A and an E, so we have two. Our next question is, are they together or apart? And they are apart. And the next question is there a silent E? And yes, there is. We have this vowel consonant E syllable, and this E is silent in this word. So we would take away a syllable then, and we would say, we would actually only have one syllable, and the syllable would be plate, because the purpose of the E in this word is to kick around to the letter A and make it say its name. So the word is plate, not plat. We took the E away, it would be plat, but that E makes the A say its name. It's a vowel consonant E syllable. Let's take a look at this last word we're going to practice with. We ask our questions, how many vowels do you see? So we would count them and identify them. We have an A, we have an O, and finally we have an E. So we have three. Are they together or apart? They are apart. And we can see here we do have a silent E. So we have three vowels that are apart, but we have a silent E. So we are going to have two syllables, right? So we would draw our two lines to have kids write this. I'm just going to underline within the word here. So the first syllable would be back, and the second syllable would be stroke. Remember that E is silent, and that E's purpose is to make that O say its name. And our word is backstroke. So this is how we work with students to practice reading words that are larger than one syllable than they've been used to, and you can continue to support your child in this way as well. Good luck.